In this video, I'm going to explain different values that families have. Values are things that are important to your family. They think they're really necessary, like you need to do them or you need to have them, or that's the best way that families can work. Here are some examples. The first one is time together. Some families think it's really important that the whole family is together and spends quality time together. Maybe playing games, maybe doing chores, maybe cooking, but just all being together as a family. The next one on the checklist is grandparents. In some families, grandparents are super important. They are the ones that are honored or respected. People always listen to them. They always think their advice is really important. The next one is education or school. For some families, getting your schoolwork done or your education, learning as much as you can is really important. The next one is faith or God. For some families, this part is maybe most important. They might go to a church, they might pray, they might read special books like the Bible. Faith may be very important to some families. Other families believe it's really important to help each other. Maybe if someone has a problem, the other person's there to lend a hand or to give them advice. Other families believe punctuality is important. That means being on time. Don't be late. That's important to some. For others, the important thing is to always tell the truth, to not lie. And finally, some families believe it's important for everyone always to eat their meals together. Ahora voy a explicarlo en español. Aquí hay algunos valores que tienen familias. Mientras yo estoy explicando, piense en uno o dos valores que son más importantes para tu familia. Algunas familias quieren pasar tiempo juntos, tal vez juegos, deporte, pero para pasar tiempo juntos para ellos es lo más importante. En otras familias son los abuelos. Dan mucho respeto a ellos, dan su lugar para dar consejos. También escuchan bien a los abuelos. En otras familias, la educación o la escuela. Para ellos es importante hacer tus tareas para aprender lo más que puedes. Para otros es la fe o creencia en Dios. Para ellos van a la iglesia, oran, leen libros especiales como la Biblia. Su fe es muy importante. Para otras familias les gusta ayudar uno a otro. Si uno tiene problema, el otro es el primero para ayudar. Para otras familias es para la puntualidad, para llegar a tiempo. Para otras familias tienen que siempre decir la verdad y no mentir. Y finalmente, para otras familias lo más importante es para siempre comer juntos.